guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm doing a luxury unboxing, so you know what that means. Either I bought myself some goodies or somebody else bought me some gifts. Either way, girl, it's a win-win. So I'm gonna start with the first item. I got something from Hermes, so let's start with that one. I love a good orange box, girl, okay? And what is it? Let's see. You already know it's the Hermes Oran sandals. Either it's Orion or Oran, girl. I don't pronounce words correctly all the time, but these are it in this beautiful fuchsia color. I love a good Oran sandal from Hermes because I think they're versatile. They just go with a lot, and I was really in love with this beautiful fuchsia color. Let me get right into the color, y'all. Don't y'all like that? I feel like I can color block or mix and match with these. Let me take the paper out. Yeah, I was just like, I wanted to try a different color. I have a denim color, and I think tannin, I can't remember the other color, but this was like a pop of color that I needed, and I think that they are perfect. Yay for Hermes. I'm gonna wear these really soon. Now, if you are interested in buying the Oran sandal, I just want you to know, first of all, go a half up in your size, but basically try these on in store. That can be difficult depending upon where you live, but I'm in the city of Chicago, so like, we have every store, every luxury store known to man, so we're able to, you know, anybody that lives here is able to just walk in, or if you visit here. But I definitely recommend trying these on because they are a tad bit narrow. So for me, I go a size up. These might be a 40. Yeah, these are a 40. So I'm between, like, oh my God, in shoes, my feet are so crazy. I can do like 9, 9.5, 10. It just really depends. So these are a 40. They're extremely narrow. And girl, the first time you wear these, it is not comfortable at all. These are those kind of sandals, like the leather is really stiff. The quality and craftsmanship of these sandals are like second to none. The leather is really superb, but they take a tad bit of breaking into. So like the first couple of times you wear them, they're gonna be extremely uncomfortable. At least that's how it works for me. Like, let me know down in the comments if you have a pair, how they worked for you, how you felt. But for me, I have to break them in. But I love these, and these are a new goodie to my collection. All right, so your girl was in Dior. Oh gosh, Chicago, we have the prettiest Christian Dior. It's like brand newly remodeled. It's just an amazing store. If you're ever in Chicago, you have to visit. And so I picked up 2 little goodies from Dior. Let's start with the bigger box first, right? Because there's a pair of shoes in here. I love shoes. I love sandals, okay? So let's see. Got my little dust bag. Let's open this up. Okay, y'all, so they got me on this whole dad sandal craze. These are the Dior X sandal. Let me make sure I'm giving you guys the correct name, right? Because I will butcher a name in a minute. These are the Dior X sandal in lambskin. I love lambskin leather. I love my purses in lambskin simply because I take good care of them and I don't like wear my purses out, so lambskin works for me. But I just wanted to try the whole dad sandal craze. So lambskin is pretty smooth. They have the Dior right here on the strap. They smell so good. They just smell like fresh leather. I love that smell. So Dior on the side, gold hardware, black lambskin. These come in like some other different colors. They come in like cream, so well, the off-white cream, and this beautiful pink. But I chose black because I just felt like I would definitely get more wear out of the black, and considering I just got the Hermes sandals in that fuchsia color, I'm like, let's just go back to some black, because I was looking for something maybe I can wear every day, or like if I'm going on vacation, something in a neutral family like white, brown, or black that I can wear with my swimsuits or something like that. But these were definitely a pickup for everyday wear. And y'all, they look so cute on my feet. I was so like borderline on this whole dad sandal craze, because I'm like, they just look like Jesus sandals. Like, who like these chunky big oversized sandals, but you know, like everything else, well, not almost everything else, some things I don't get on board with every trend that comes out, but you know, some things are catchy, and so then you're like, okay, I'm gonna try it, and then you end up liking it. So I definitely like these. They look cute on my feet. I tried them on in the store. They're super comfortable, so that's what I was also excited about, because I have like, not the dad sandals, but like some Louis Vuitton slides, because I don't really do an extreme lot of slides, but the bottom of those were so extremely hard, they like steered me away, and I was like, you know, it's just, anyway. But these are comfortable, they're really cute. Okay, and like, I feel like, okay, I might be in with the dad sandal little craze. I think these would be so good for traveling too, especially like going through the airport when you're traveling in the summer, because you can just take these on and off really quick. They can also go with your swimsuits, or if you go like on an excursion, you can wear them there too, or some kind of lunch or dinner, whatever the case may be. You can dress them up or down. They're really versatile. I love versatile pieces, versatile things, because they just last a long time. So I had to get something to match my dad's sandals, right? So I had to get something to match my dad's sandals. So I got this. Let me put my little dust cloth here. And it's so tiny. Like, this bag is so tiny, y'all. It's a little crossbody bag. It's so dainty. Where is the strap, y'all? Maybe it's in the inside, girl. Maybe have to go back. This is a crossbody bag. It has a little handle. It's lambskin with gold hardware. It is so cute, and it has like Dior right here. It spells Dior. Oh, can you see that? I'll raise it too high. It is so cute. Can we see that? It says Dior. It is so gorgeous. When I saw this, I was like, it's perfect. Like, lately I feel like, hold on, let me make sure y'all, the strap is in here, because whew, girl, listen. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. So it's a little chain, right? Okay, so what we can do is take this. I have on nails today. Yo, I got my nails done the other day. Aren't they so cute? Coffin style and white, of course. Look, you hear the clicking clacking? I had natural gel nails for like a couple of months, y'all. I was not feeling that. I had to get back to my clicking clacking and ghetto nails, because the natural gel was not doing it, y'all. It was not, you know, I couldn't do my hand motions, because it doesn't mean anything with the gel nails, like the natural. The click clack, you saying something. But anyway, back to this. So let me zip it back up. I love gold hardware. I think anything with gold hardware just looks so much better. But anyway, it has a little handle, so if you want to just carry it by the handle, you can do that, or put the chain on it to make it a crossbody. I love a good crossbody, because you know what, since they came out, or bun bags and mini bags became popular, and mini cross bags became more popular the last couple of years, I've really been into it, because I found that like carrying these big bags, these big Chanel bags or big Louis Vuitton bags or whatever, like, I don't carry a lot of stuff in my purse to begin with. Literally, if you've watched my other videos, I clean out my purse every night. Like, I'm OCD like that. I cannot leave stuff in my purse, and I don't like to carry a lot of stuff in my purse. So little minis or just smaller bags, and especially ones that I don't have to carry, I can just crossbody them and forget it. I feel like that is my thing now. Like, when I see bigger bags, I'm just like, I don't know, because I just feel like it's so much. Like, I gotta take the bag off when I get in the car, be delicate with it, place on the side. With a little crossbody, I feel like I just leave it on in the car and put my seatbelt on. It's not gonna get damaged. Everything's cool. I hop right out the car. It's like the convenience for me. Like, the style and convenience like go hand in hand. But let's look inside the bag. I really like this, y'all. Let me get closer. Look at the leather, the quilting on the leather. It's like the little classic Dior quilted print style. And let's look at the inside, because I wanted to make sure this is just the right size for me to put my cell phone in, and a key and some lipstick. And that's really all I ever need. Like a credit card or debit card, ID, lipstick. I can take my car key and my phone. That's all I need. And it fits in there perfectly. Like, this is not too small, it's not too big. It is like, it's very dainty and very perfect for me. And let me tell y'all the name of this. I don't even know where. I think I left the receipt upstairs, but The link will be below. I don't know, I just grabbed stuff, y'all. I am not that girl who's like, yeah, the Dior lambskin, whatever from collection to Act 2 spring resort collection. Like, I don't care about none of that. When I like something, girl, I just buy it and I be like, it's that Dior bag or it's that Chanel bag. Like, I'm just not that girl, right? I don't get too specific in anything. When you love me and get to know me, you'll know that that's like with everything, right? But anyway, so that's to go with my little sandals, y'all. I can really wear this today, right? It will really look good with this little dress I have on. Love it. Love this purchase, okay? All right, so I'm laughing, y'all, because next up is, well, you already know, it's a pair of shoes from Balenciaga. And I'm laughing, y'all, because my boyfriend, y'all, he wears Balenciagas every day. That's like his uniform for life. He has every color known to man. And I always joke with him, and I'm like, man, like, do you have enough of those? Like, whatever color comes out, I promise, he buys it. Like, I lost count of like the Balenciagas, okay? And so one day I was joking with him and I was like, you should buy me a pair so we could twin. And I was joking, but guess what? He bought me a pair so we could twin. And I just cannot stop laughing because, baby, I love these things on other people, but I'm trying to figure out, here's the bag. I guess you can wear this as like a book bag. I'll probably like give this to my daughter to like, I don't know what she'll do with it, but she'll just tear it up, do something with it, whatever. But I love to see these on other women because I love to see how they style them. But this is not quite my style, but I'm gonna wear them because he bought them and I'm gonna make them cute for me, right? But I'm laughing because I thought he was joking, but these are, I don't know even what these called. I call them his work shoes, but these are just Balenciaga track sneakers. And these are in the color faded blue. I like the color. I think that he got me this color because I have this blue Chanel boy bag, and maybe he was trying to get that color to match the bag, y'all. But baby, like, I gotta get a cute outfit. These are cute. These are just not shoes like, or gym shoes that I would walk into the store and be like, oh, I gotta get some Balenciagas. I really admire other people that wear them because I feel like when I do see a woman with these and she looks really stylish, like, I'm like, she pulled that off. Because for me, first of all, these are 39. Again, I'm like between a 39 and a 40. So they look really big, right? But I guess it's all gonna depend on how I style them. So I'm gonna have to go like on Pinterest and get some styling ideas because this is way out of my comfort zone, but they're so cute. I love the color, and the gesture just made these even better. Like, I just couldn't even stop laughing. Like, we're really gonna twin, and maybe I'll post on in the community tab. I don't know, maybe we should get matching outfits and really twin. Like, you know, he goes all out with his Balenciagas. He has matching sweaters, shirts, like, it's just a thing, right? We all have our thing. But anyway, these are the Balenciaga tracks in faded blue, y'all. I really gotta figure out how I'm gonna wear these, okay? The fit on these, they're very comfortable, right? I tried them on. I tried these on in the store before. They're super comfortable. They're just really chunky. But I'm gonna pull them off. I think I'm gonna get like maybe some joggers or something, because that's what I see that's most popular when I see them. There's this lady in California where I get my nails done at when I go out to LA. What is my nail place called? Oh my God, they were in one of my vlogs. How can I not? Nailed It, right? That's my favorite place when I go to LA. Shout out to Nailed It. They do some amazing nails and they're really pricey. But anyway, she wears these a lot and she always has on like a white collared shirt with them, or like a tee and some joggers. So maybe I'm gonna take a page out of her book and dress it up like that. Maybe like something more casual with like a crossbody. But anyway, those are the Balenciaga tracks. All right, so next up I have a little goodie from Chanel, y'all. I had to take the paper off quietly off camera because my dog was taking a nap. It's like so much going on in the background. My dog's taking a nap. He doesn't like the paper crinkling. And then my neighbors are doing construction, and so like their workers are over there playing lunchtime music. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. Like, they are out there, arriba, they jamming, okay? That's not racist, so don't get into my comments. But anyway, I got this Chanel clutch. I thought this was like something dainty I can just take on the go. It's a cute little, I forgot the technical name on it. I'll have it everything. Well, this can't be linked below. You know, Chanel does not, you cannot buy from Chanel.com. You can only peruse the site. But it's basically a clutch, or I think they call it like a laptop case or a clutch, whatever the case. Y'all know when I buy stuff, I'm not that one that's like, what is that name? Just give it to me, girl, okay? I don't have to pronounce it nor know the name as long as I got the money to buy it, okay? But anyway, it's a cute little denim clutch. Let me show you, get a little bit closer. It's silver hardware. I would have like gold, but that was not an option. And it has a little pocket back here in the back. It's paper there. A little pocket in the back. I wouldn't stick anything back there because I feel like I'm clumsy like that. Something would definitely fall out. Whatever I put in there would definitely fall out. It would be gone. And it has like chain detail that goes across the side and the bottom. And it's pretty deep in the inside. It has a lot of paper in here. Let's take the paper out. Okay. It's pretty deep in the inside. I could probably put, if I had like one of those small iPads, I could probably put that, well, I can put that in there and take that. And it does have a little pocket and the authenticity card. We'll put that back. I do not like to lose those. I keep them right in there and close that back up. So I thought this was like really cute that I can just throw in to go to lunch, or I mean, just really anything. Sometimes I just like to try, you know, different things sometimes other than the same standard bags, you know what I'm saying, the same standard stuff. So this is just a cute little denim edition, not too much, but really dainty enough to just throw in my collection. And I like denim. I have some Chanel denim boots that I just thought about that as I was talking. I got some Chanel denim boots from like 2 or 3 years ago, maybe three that I've only worn one time. But these would go, I didn't even think about that. These would go perfectly with, I could own something really cute. But anyway, guys, if you like videos like this about luxury, self-care, and fashion, because you know your girl loves fashion, and shapewear, because I am the shapewear queen. If you didn't know, now you know. I get you snatched for every occasion, and always I get you looking good. Catch some of my videos on this channel about shapewear, because I'm really serious about shapewear. But anyway, if you like videos like this, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. And before you leave, stay tuned, because I have more videos coming up. Click on something you like at the end, or go back to my channel and pick out something that I know you're gonna love. I have travel vlogs on there, self-care hauls, Zara hauls. I have hauls from my own shop, my own boutique, because I'm a boutique owner, shop500boutique.com. Shout out to my business. But anyway, guys, to catch some of my other videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And until the next video, I love you guys. Peace.